Arutwo mathukuru makiria maigana rimwe nio mahutitio ni mitino ya mwakiriere kwirwo ni aruna o marambiriria. Amwe ao ni maikitio ngono na magakinyio igoti-ini. Njira imwe ya gucaria kihonia ni kugia na cikaro gatagati ka arugamiriria mathukuru o hamwe na arutwo. Mwena wa Kiambu, thukuru-ini wa Kinyogori ni kwa mucemanio haririirio kugeria kumenya kiri-ini ki arutwo makiheana mawoni mao.
If they are going to increase the terms, they should also increase activities in the school, such as visiting days, and also the mid-term should be in the middle of the term so that to break off the monotony of classes.
We are under dictatorship somewhat. I cannot just plainly say that, but if you look deeper, we are just going with what the teachers tell us to do without having to ask why.
Ndereti-ini iyo amwe no marauga ati ruthanju ni rwagirirwo gucokio mutaratara-ini wa kuherithia ciana.
Returning of corporal punishments, for example caning, and yes, that should really improve our discipline in the schools.
Mawoni macio ni manyititwo mbaru ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani NAT mwena wa Kiambu West.
Reintroduction of corporal punishment because they feel children have been given a lot of space. In a way, they are now destroying themselves.
Handu-ini hao, arutani maroiga ati kwahoteka arutwo aya maratabania ciiko ici cia urathoni tondu arunao aria maranyitwo na mahitia ma gucina mathukuru kana kwananga indo matiroerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho. Mucemanio ta uyu no uhaririirio mwena wa Embu kuria arutwo na arutani magire na giikaro gia kwaraniria.
Require is what I would refer to as integrated discipline management strategy, whereby various forms of nurturing students is employed.
Principals and teachers have been left without any ammunition to discipline the students. It's a big problem.
And to think you are ng'ani uri kwa ngothi ira ciana vevia tondu itiravevua vandu vamwe. Ino ni kacha ni utore wonaga ciana ciambiriria kunywa thigara ukona yenge naone mona ya nani ni mbagirwe kumenyua koguo ni wira kwenda gwicirirwa nthi gwikarirwa nthi kindu kira gitagwa discipline.
Thirikari nene ni thondekete kamiti ya andu 8 aria marathuthuria mitino ya mwaki mathukuru-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.